Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie 122 that belongs to a client that I just pulled from the box. And it looks like someone has been under this chassis doing some work on this amplifier. Let me show you, let me point out some things to you that I see. Look at this cathode capacitor here. Look how that was installed. That here's another of that style of soldering. Another lump of soldering here, down here, there. Right here, and there. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, it's a lot of big solder right there. Then we back up in here. It's sloppy work. So I'll be removing a lot of these parts and cleaning this up, as well as testing the components, making sure that they're functioning as they should. This, check that fuse, of course. All of these resistors, I'll replace that. These fail all the time. I'll replace that. I'll check my volume pot and see what the range is on it. Except for the poor way that these caps were installed. I mean, I see there are new orange drops. They were just installed in an amateurish fashion. So this looks like the work of an amateur. So the amp was sent by the client to Vintage V3 Organ so that we can correct this problem and get this amp working as it should. So let me get going here. First, I'm going to clean it up because there's a lot of spider webs here, cobwebs, and dirt. So let me get moving on this project. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp with work to do. The Hammond Doc. Peace out.